Nishkalanki temple in Ahmedabad came under attack by a mob. The video of the incident has gone viral on social media, in which we can see several miscreants could be seen. Now, an exclusive Republic has accessed the visuals of the vandalism at the temple. Furthermore, 2 FIRs, I repeat, 2 FIRs have been registered in the case, and as of now, 34 people have been arrested, and police sources have informed that over 100 people were present at that site. That is what we are getting for you right now, Republic TV. In fact, let's move ahead to Priyanka, who's joining us live at this point of time. Priyanka, I'm coming across to you. We have got significant developments in the story. We've been tracking the story from the morning itself. Where you were earlier, there were a lot of police presence to avoid a further escalation of the law and order situation. Take us through what is the latest that we're learning. Priyanka.
Well, absolutely, Shivangi. It's a lot better now as the police deployment has also gotten half. As we had seen overnight, there was a heavy police deployment. In fact, there was a heavier police deployment early in the morning as well, because the point of it was because the devotees were being stopped from going inside the temple because of the law and order situation. The entire temple premises had been sealed to make sure that there is no untoward incident, there is no law and order situation that further escalates. That's why the police deployment had been heavier earlier in the morning. Now they're saying, of course, that the entire situation has completely gotten pacified, because as you mentioned, there are 34 people that have already been arrested. This also includes 2 of the trustees as well from both the communities who had been involved. In fact, the police sources have also confirmed that both of these trustees had been involved in instigating both the mobs who had come face to face of one another, and they had in fact also been handed with weapons like lathis and stones that they were pelting at each other as well. In fact, in that exclusive video as well, we can see that there are mobs that are going inside. They're breaking down the construction part of the entire temple, trying to go inside, and also they are trying to also vandalize parts of the temple as well. And those visuals that are on our screens right now, we can show our viewers as to how this entire matter escalated on the ground inside of the temple premises just less than 24 hours ago. And post that, we have seen that the police, in fact, one of the police officials had also gotten injured, and one of the other person who had been in the mob had also sustained several injuries, because of which now the IPC sections that have been levied inside in the FIR as well, in both the FIRs, are that of rioting and attempt to murder as well. So those are some of the important parts of this entire development. However, we have also been maintaining that there had been friction between the 2 communities over the last 6 months. There had been threats of hunger strike, indefinite hunger strike, and protests as well for quote-unquote saffronization of the entire dargah as well. So those were some of the points that had been boiling under the surface, and now it had come out just less than 24 hours ago, post which the police has taken action. They have swiftly arrested these 34 people. In fact, these were the people who had already been detained last night, and they had been questioned in the lockup. They had been asked about what essentially had happened in the entire incident. Apart from that, the videos that had also been accessed, the police has been looking at those visuals. They have been trying to identify the people. In fact, more than 100 plus people, in fact, are also unidentified as of now. The police is going to be combing through each and every visuals, each and every video, and the CCTV footages as well, to understand who essentially was there instigating the mobs from both the sides. Of course, the main part is that of the trustees, who themselves had been involved in carrying out this kind of an instigation, carrying out this kind of an escalation, and now further investigation will go on whether or not this kind of a conspiracy runs deeper than these 2 trustees, or whether there were others involved as well, and what essentially led to this kind of a crescendo of a scuffle that had broken out inside of the temple premises as well, Shivangi.
Right. Well, we're getting those visuals coming in first and exclusive on Republic TV. Coming back to you right now, Priyanka, because we need to make our viewers understand what really happened and what the investigation is leading towards. Now, you told us 34 people have been arrested. If you could take our viewers through what the police sources are saying on the story, and how can the investigation proceed in the next few hours to days from now?
Well, absolutely, Shivangi. You know, as we had been mentioning, this particular place, in fact, is also an example, an archetype that is used for the unity between the two communities. So it is sadly ironic that this kind of a rioting took place inside of that temple premises itself. There is a dargah which is about 100 meters away, and that there are claims that by the other communities as well, that there is a saffronization inside of the dargah as well, which needs to stop, because of which there had been friction between the two communities over the last 2 years. In fact, there had been a PIL as well that had been made in the Gujarat High Court, which was eventually taken back by the petitioner as well, which had also reiterated the same points of the saffronization as well, because of which this kind of tensions had been escalating. In fact, just last year, about in November, December, there had been also a declaration that there will be a hunger strike indefinitely if there is no action taken as well. Post which now we are looking at this kind of an escalation of a scuffle and a riot-like situation that had broken out, and the vandalism that was attempted to be done by certain communities inside of the temple premises as well towards the Divya Jyot as well. So those are the points that are being taken into consideration as far as the investigation is concerned, to understand whether there was a further and larger conspiracy to carry out this kind of a law and order situation, to carry out this kind of a communal tension inside of the temple premises or not. However, important to note that 2 of the trustees from both the communities, in fact, have been taken into custody already, and they will be the first ones to be investigated and interrogated to understand how essentially they were instigating the mobs and whether or not the other trustees had also been involved.
Well, thank you, Priyanka, for getting us all the details. My colleague Priyanka is on the ground getting us top updates coming in on the temple vandalism case. Remember, Priyanka has told us 34 people have been arrested, 2 FIRs have been lodged, and the police sources said that maybe 100 people were at the spot. Thank you, Priyanka. I will be, in fact, coming back to you in just a moment.